How to switch from personal account to business account on Amazon application. Are you guys facing issue to switch your account from personal to business account on Amazon app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the bottom of the screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, scroll down, look right beside your account, tap on see all. You can see the option for create your free business account over here. Click on it. Click on the option begin account conversion. After you click on it, again tap on convert to a business account. But I don't want to switch my personal account to business account. If you want to switch it, then just simply tap on convert to business account and fill up all these details. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to switch our personal account to business account on Amazon application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to us.